Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the sunny south of France. We are in the Languedoc, which is now known as Occitanie, in the sunny south of France, located in the village of Fontes, Fontes, which lies between the towns of Montpellier and Beziers. The sun is out, the sky is blue, and we're having a look at a very handsome 3 double-bedroom village house that you see in front of you, that is in absolutely beautiful condition. So let's go in and have a look. So first of all, actually, just to situate you, nice location within the village. I'm not going to pan all the way around because the sun is shining and it's going to absolutely blind the camera. But nice location. The village itself has got a few bits and pieces in the way of commerce. There's a bar restaurant. As I go in, I just have to be careful not to let the cat out, so bear with me. Okay. Right, so straight in, and we're going to go left down just 2 steps to the ground floor, where we've got a lobby area. Then there's an understairs storage area here, which is always useful, and in there is a water softener. The other thing that we have here is a really good size built-in linen cupboard. Very, very useful indeed. And I feel that I really must point out what I consider to be some of the neatest plumbing work I've ever seen. Maybe nothing, but to me, that as a point of detail, that's pretty impressive. Anyway, moving on, straight through to a really, really lovely large bedroom. It's a really nice big double bedroom. Built-in cupboards ahead of us there. The owners have been quite clever here because you've got quite a nice size window to let natural light in, but they've frosted the windows with stickers, which is great. So you get the privacy, but you get the natural light. So there are 3 double bedrooms. This is the largest of the 3. Whether you would choose to use this as your main bedroom or one of the ones upstairs, I'm not sure. Then back through, if we go left, we've got a downstairs shower room with toilet. There's a cupboard door there with space for there's a big hot water cylinder and general storage space. Then you've got the shower cubicle, space and plumbing for washing machine and tumble dryer. Then we've got a wash basin and a toilet. So that space serves this downstairs room quite nicely. And then if we make our way upstairs, and one more thing, you've got the, I don't know if you can make this out, but traditional sort of slightly vaulted ceiling, both here and in here. So that's quite a nice traditional feature. So, up to the first floor. Nice terrazzo stairs in very good condition. And then we go into the kitchen breakfast room. Really nice room, good size. So you've got space for a dishwasher, you've got your cooker there, extractor fan above, space for a freestanding fridge freezer. Incidentally, that's quite a big opening with a shelving unit that's been put in here. So if you wanted an even bigger fridge, you've got the space to accommodate that, which is quite handy. Original beams. The house really is in beautiful condition. Then one small step here, leading us into the first of two sitting rooms. This room's got air conditioning, dual aspect, and we've got quite big doors here leading out to a very pretty and actually usable balcony. More exposed wooden beams. These are in really nice condition. Really, really nice. I mean, as an example of a beautifully refurbished village house, this is right up there. Lovely original floors in very good condition. So from the first floor, we can now make our way upstairs to the second floor, which is the top floor. The vast majority of village houses down here are laid out over 3 levels, so this is quite common. Continuation of the terrazzo flooring, beautiful exposed stone walls on 2 walls here. This room has also got air conditioning. More recently added wooden beams, very handsome. And something I'd like to point out on this floor in particular is the most beautiful flooring. This flooring has been painstakingly restored by the owners. These tiles, let's call them, are known as pare-feuilles. And they were originally roof tiles that came on the underside of roofs. Obviously, you'd have the canal tiles on the top, but these pare-feuilles were underneath. And a lot of people reclaimed these and used them as flooring. But the owner spent a long, long time restoring these and cleaning them, and they are beautiful. There's the cat, Tequila. Now we've got another balcony here. Also very usable. Not sure how to unlock that door, but okay. Say hello, Tequila. Pretty view. And as a testament to the quality of this renovation of this house, if you look up here, you've got the air conditioning unit, and then all of the pipework associated with that has been boxed in. Nothing unusual about that. However, if we actually look closely, look what a beautiful job they've done in cutting the wood to follow the shape of the wall, rather than trying to fill that with some kind of mastic. I think that's fantastic. from here we've got 3 small steps leading up to a little landing area. And then we've got 2 double bedrooms with a shared bathroom, what is often referred to as a Jack and Jill bathroom, so a door from each bedroom. So we've got the first one here. The majority of this house has got the original windows because the owners wanted to preserve the character of the house, but this particular room has got a replacement double glazed window. So really nice double room. White painted beam. A continuation of the pare-feuille on the floor. And then from here we go through to a very, very nice shower room. So you've got a wash basin, a toilet, a shower cubicle, and a small skylight for light and ventilation. And then, as you might have noticed, I've just gone through a second door, which leads into another bedroom. So the idea of having the shared bathroom with the 2 doors is you go into the bathroom and you lock the doors from the inside, and then it effectively becomes a shower room, either en suite to one bedroom or the other. So 2 nice double bedrooms up here. 1 sitting room with the doors out to the little balcony, which is usable more than you might expect. Then downstairs on the next floor, we've got the kitchen breakfast room. We've got the other sitting room, which is the larger of the 2, with the other balcony. And then on the ground floor, you've got the large bedroom being the 3rd. So 3 double bedrooms. I think I said about 113 square meters in total of living space. In the village of Fontes. As always, if you have a look in the description below the video, you'll find a link to the full property page advert. Please feel free to comment, contact us for further information. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to activate your notifications so that you are notified for our next upload. This is a fabulous house for sale in the village of Fontes, not far from the historic town of Pézenas, and I am very excited to have this listed. Thank you very much for watching.